Padaplan!
Hey, go! Thunder!
Sige, go! Oh, very good! Next, next! Uy, wala magaling! Isa pa!
Day 2.
Mula magwama, walang taon? Wala yung sila pamahaw. Beses mo sila daan.
A few moments later. Day 3.
The practical skills necessary to protect ourselves and others. So without further ado, let us give a warm round of applause to our fire safety speaker.
Mr. Eduardo F. Carciniego.
Ewan kung bakit gano'n yung cities natin as magiging tayo ng fire safety. No? Sige. Inhale, then exhale. Fire. Then inhale, exhale, then last, inhale, then nakasan, exhale. Okay, relax. And siyempre, ating sisilusunin po ito ng spirals. Kasi, this one, panayin ko. Okay lang. O sige. Total, mag-break. Taas-taas mo mag-break. No? Ato ning kanon, kining 4 different types of extinguisher, fire extinguisher. Para at least, although kinira mag-isa. Okay. Sige. Water, foam. Yan lang mga di-provide sa akin ng Google, no? Pero, naghanong kaibigan. Pero ang kung wala lang nga, kung mapansin ninyo, mamita rin siyang diyan naka-indicate kung sa klaseng material, o kung sa klaseng nga kaya niya mapatayon ng mga materials, no? Diyan naka-indicate. Hindi lang ako i-cite. Although dagan siya different types of fire extinguisher, no? Dagan siya type. Kini siya ang ginatawag Patiolis, kining yung diri sa ubos. Kaya, saan naman? Wala no? Ang kaya niyang Patiolis natin Electrical? Okay, kaya?
A few moments later.
Tama na! Tanggalan sang pin! Tama na! Dagan! Team 3, prepare! Tanggalan na yun dyan! Go! Tama na! Team 4! Go!
I'm breathing in
Tama na!
and breaking down. I feel my time
Check,
is
sir.
running out. The fire
Palakpak!
in my heart will burn me to the ground. I did my part. I
Oh,
tried
dagan,
my
tama na!
best. The things I'm
Back up!
fighting to protect always shatter into
Tama na!
pieces in the end.
Dagan!
Oh.
Okay, team 3!
Broken and I'm barely breathing. I'm falling 'cause
Okay,
my
tama na!
heart stops
Dagan, back up
beating.
4!
If this is how it all goes down tonight, if this is how you bring me back to life,
Tama na! Team 1!
this is what it's like when we collide.
Tama na! Prepare!
If this is how you bring me back to life. In blood, I'm running dry. My heart's been
Mali ang imong
beating
pagunit sa kuan, dili sa si gunit. Sa nasal. Team 2, 1, 2, 3, go!
Battle cries, the
Tama na!
damage done. Who has lost and who has
Team
won?
3, go!
Who will be there when my
Oh,
life's
asa ang hangin?
support is gone?
Tama na!
Oh, I'm broken and I'm barely breathing.
2, go!
'Cause my heart
Check
stops
first.
beating. This is how it
Tama
all
na!
goes down tonight. This is how you bring me back to life. This is what
Tama
it's
na!
like when we
Team
collide.
2!
This is how you bring me back to life.
Tama na!
Breathing, lost all feeling. I'm barely breathing, still holding
Oh! Tama na!
I'm broken and I'm
Back up
barely
more!
breathing. I'm falling 'cause my heart stopped beating.
Tama na!
If this is how it all
Team
goes down
1!
tonight, if this is how you bring me back to life, I'm broken
Oh, tama
and
na!
I'm
Dagan!
barely breathing.
Napay, napay siya, sir.
Falling 'cause